Hi, today we're going to make honey garlic chicken. So I have some cornstarch here, and I'm going to have 3 tablespoons. And some dried oregano. And we're going to mix that up and see what happened with the baby.
We'll be right back.
Okay, so we have our oregano in here and our cornstarch. And here's a bit of pepper. Mix it about, that's a 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. And a little bit of coarse salt, or just any kind of salt will do. I don't want to put too much because we're using soy sauce in this recipe, and soy sauce has a lot of sodium in it. Oh. So, I'm going to take our chicken tenders, and we're going to coat them. So, make sure they're well coated. It doesn't take much with chicken tenders because there's no bones in them. And make sure you make a mess, because if you don't make a mess, you're not having fun. And we'll finish these up and we'll be right back. Okay, I got a pat of butter here, and I have the Ninja Speedi on saute, right?
Mm-hmm.
Saute?
Saute and sear.
Okay, and now I'm going to take my chicken breast. I also have some sesame seed oil. I'm going to add that to my pan. So this was a tablespoon of 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. I have my chicken all coated over here. So I'm going to add that to the bottom of my pan. I don't think it's hot enough yet, but
takes a couple minutes to heat up.
so I'm going to add these two. Try not to overcrowd your pan. And it's 3 minutes on each side. And we'll be back. Okay, I'm flipping these. I have rubber coated tongs that I'm flipping with. And I'm going to set my timer for another 3 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, we have our chicken all done. Now we're going to work on the sauce. So we have, this is a 1/2 tablespoon of sciracha sauce. And 3 tablespoons, don't take your breath away. 3 tablespoons of honey. I don't have to squeeze any of that. And so we've had somebody ask for the honey like an errand, so hopefully we have 3 tablespoons. 2. There's the 3rd. Okay.
Perfect.
All in there. We have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. We have 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. We have, I think this is the first one. Oh, I need 3 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of garlic. Stir it off. And 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic, so I'm going to get that now. So now we're going to put our chicken back in, and we're going to get working on, we're going to turn this off and we'll turn our chicken to it. And we're going to work on some rice, and we'll be right back. So as I'm putting my chicken in, I'm making sure each piece of chicken has a coating to it. So everywhere's coated. I'll leave this in here for 5 minutes while the rice finishes up, and we'll be back.
All right. All right, welcome back. Our rice is done. I've plated some up. I've got some carrots there, and I'm gonna go sit down and do a taste test. We'll be back soon. Hi, welcome back to Mom of Four Boys. We're getting ready to do our taste test of our honey garlic chicken with the sauce that Rachel made. It's wonderful. Let's dig right in. Got these tenders. They are cooked perfectly. Look at that. And our rice. I'm gonna have a little bit of rice with mine. That sesame taste is very good. The rice is wonderful. The chicken just breaks apart. Look at that. Lovely. Let me have some more rice here. One more chicken. That's very, very good. Chicken is so tender. Flavored just right. Not salty, not overbearing. It has that Asian sesame oil. Rachel put all kind of great seasonings in here, so you watch the video and you make it just like she did. Wonderful. We just have a carrot. Rice is perfect. I love carrots.
Carrots are even better with ranch.
That's right. Did you like your chicken?
I haven't had it yet.
All right, one more bite. Wow. This is perfect. It's wonderful. Absolutely lovely. Please like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends about our channel. And we would love it if you would subscribe. It would mean the world to us. And until the next time we see each other, make this the way we did and enjoy it. And have a great rest of your night. And God bless.